how to use the sine rule to find a missing angle in 135 seconds. Let's go. I've got to say, guys, this is probably one of the least popular topics in my course, but it comes up a lot and it's worth a lot of marks. Let's have a look. The question says calculate the value of x, where x is this angle in this triangle. We can see that the triangle is a non-right angle triangle. We've been given one angle, we've been given two sides, and we're working with two pairs of opposites. We can see that our x degrees is opposite our 14 centimeters and our 82 degrees is opposite our 18 centimeters. What does that mean? It means that we're going to be using the sine rule. And which version of the sine rule are we going to be using? We're going to use sine A over A equals sine B over B. We could use the other one if we want to, but this one's just going to be easier. It's going to be less working out because it already has our angle on the top. So how are we going to apply the sine rule here? Step number one, we're going to label our angles and our sides. Remember, guys, angles are going to be our uppercase letters, and sides are going to be our lowercase letters, and our capital A is going to be opposite our lowercase a, and our capital B is going to be opposite our lowercase b. What can we do now, guys? We can substitute in our values to our formula. We have sine A, so we have sine of 82, over lowercase a, so we have 18, and that's going to be equal to sine of b, b is our x, so we have sine x, divided by lowercase b, that's going to be 14. Now, guys, we want to get x on its own. What are we going to do? First of all, we're going to move this divided by 14 over to the other side of our equation. That's going to give us that sine of x is equal to 14 times by sine of 82 over 18. Now, next step, guys, we can simplify that if we want to. What are we going to get? We're going to get 14 times by typing this into our calculator in real time, sine 82 over 18. What's that going to give us, guys? It's going to give us that sine of x is equal to 0.770 to 3 decimal places. Final step then, guys, we're going to move that sine over to the other side. How do we do that? We're going to do sine to the minus 1 of both sides, and we're going to get that x is equal to sine to the minus 1 of 0.77. We can just type in there, and when we do that, what are we going to get? We're going to do sine to the minus 1 of 0.77. We type that in and we get 50.35 to 2 decimal places, and that is going to be, guys, our answer for x.